What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the anatomy of a perfect sales email. If you're looking to increase your sales and drive more revenue for your business, then you need to know how to craft a killer sales email. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need a subject line that is attention grabbing. You can do this by using urgency, curiosity, and humor to make your subscribers want to click and open your email. Next, you need to start strong. Your opening sentence needs to hook your subscribers and keep them reading. You can ask a thought-provoking question or make a bold statement that addresses their pain points. Now it's time to focus on your offer. Your sales email needs to clearly state the benefits of your product or service and why your subscribers need it. Use social proof like testimonials or case studies to back up your claims and to build trust with your audience. And don't forget to include a clear call to action. Tell your subscribers exactly what you want them to do, whether it's to click a link, schedule a call, or make a purchase. Lastly, make sure your email is visually appealing. Use images, bullet points, and white space to break up your text and make it easy to read. So there you have it. That's the anatomy of a perfect sales email. Remember, a great sales email is all about delivering value and building trust with your audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your business with email marketing. Thanks for watching.